The Edge X5 5-axis mid-rail abrasive waterjet system, featuring our Permaline Aero SL 5-axis abrasive jet. This is the most popular platform to build your waterjet cutting system from. Industrial manufacturing companies turn to Jet Edge when accuracy, durability, and productivity really matter. All Jet Edge motion systems isolate the cutting head from the catcher tank so noise and vibration do not transfer to the cutting head, making it the industry leader in accuracy and precision over the full life of the equipment. The rigid construction and quality components refuse to compromise on durability, and with so many productivity enhancements such as dual carriage, lights-out cutting, nesting, and more, you have the complete package. And remember, when you order a Jet Edge, our relationship is just beginning. We offer a menu of post-installation support programs that further distance us from the competitors. Jet Edge is known for its a la carte approach to custom configuration, and the Edge X5 5-axis Waterjet is the platform to start from. Its 5-axis cutting system excels at taper-free bevel cutting up to 60 degrees, launching you into complex contoured parts production across a broad range of specialty alloys, including aluminum block, copper, stainless steel, titanium, and Inconel. The Edge X5 utilizes our newest cutting system, the Permaline Aero SL. The Aero SL delivers the 60,000 psi generated water stream directly to the cutting surface without any bends, producing the highest finish quality, fastest activation speeds, and lowest maintenance cost to improve your waterjet cutting operations. Table sizes can be expanded to 26 feet by 13 feet, and a host of additional productivity options can be added, including a second Z carriage, lights-out cutting, laser mapping, height sensing, abrasive removal, closed-loop filtration systems, and more, each designed to hone in on the precision and productivity you are looking to achieve with your investment. Power your waterjet cutting with one of our Hero ultra-high-pressure intensifier pumps. The Hero Series pumps are rated to 60,000 psi to power both your water and abrasive 3-axis and 5-axis waterjet cutters. With flow rates ranging from 1.1 GPM to 3.2 GPM, you can dedicate a single pump to a single cutting head, use a single pump to drive multiple cutting heads, or drive multiple tables with a single pump. The Hero series has so many features as standard, but the Jet Smart controls jump out as cutting edge. The interactive control makes the user interface so simple. Quickly set pump pressures, visualize intensifier cycles, receive performance feedback in real time, and receive prompts for scheduled maintenance. Add a plus sign after the Hero name, and a host of premium features get added, including a soft start motor starter, light stack with audible warning, electronic hydraulic pressure control, check tube sensors, bleed down sensor, auto leakage sensor, and Jet Smart Plus controls for remote monitoring. Remember, Jet Edge is one of the few waterjet equipment companies that manufactures both its motion systems and ultra-high pressure intensifier pumps, and we build them in our 100,000 square foot facility in Minneapolis, Minnesota. At Jet Edge, we don't offer cookie-cutter solutions. We work with you to understand your production goals and budgets, and then design the system that meets your needs. Abrasive waterjet cutting. It's what we do. Visit us online at jetedgewaterjets.com and complete a Contact Us form. Or better yet, call us at 1-800-JET-EDGE and speak with your regional sales manager to get the most out of your equipment.